In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tracking number on Walmart. This is a crucial step if you're eager to follow the journey of your purchased goods from the moment they leave Walmart's warehouse to when they arrive at your doorstep. Whether you're planning for someone's birthday or eagerly awaiting a long-awaited item, tracking your order helps you manage your expectations and schedule deliveries conveniently. To start, let's begin with the basics by visiting Walmart's website. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to walmart.com. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account first. This is where your purchase details are stored. If you haven't yet signed in, locate the Sign In option, typically in the top right corner of the web page, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to find your account icon, again typically located at the top right of the page. Click on this icon, and you should see a drop-down menu that includes a link to your purchase history. This section houses all of your completed transactions and details about them, making it your go-to place for tracking information. After accessing your purchase history, scroll through your list of orders to locate the one you wish to check. When you find it, there are two paths you can take. Either click on Track Shipment, if it's visible, or Order Details. Both these links will guide you to your tracking number, which is essential for monitoring your delivery progress accurately. Alternatively, you might prefer managing everything from your mobile device. If that's you, the Walmart app offers similar features, ensuring that you're not tied to your desktop for updates. With the app downloaded and installed, open it up, and just like on the website, make sure you're signed in. Go to the menu, which can often be found as three horizontal lines at the top or bottom of the app screen, and tap on it. Navigate to Purchase History and find the specific order. Tapping on Track Shipment within the app provides you with your tracking number as well. Lastly, if emails are your preferred way of keeping tabs on your orders, check the purchase confirmation email sent to you from Walmart. This email typically includes the tracking number along with other order details. It's a straightforward method since you don't need to log in or load a web page or app. Everything you need is right in your inbox. And there you have it, 3 distinct and convenient ways to find that all-important tracking number for your Walmart purchases. After completing these steps, you'll be better prepared to anticipate your delivery and enjoy the seamless shopping experience that Walmart provides. Thank you for watching and happy tracking!